Hi guys, it's YK, and if you're just joining us, welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like my video. Thank you. Today we're going to be talking about how to put up the Vogue caption on your picture. I did that and uploaded that on my TikTok, and people were curious on how to do that. So I decided to make a video because apparently there are a lot of people who are having issues with putting it up. So I hope this video helps, and if it does, please leave a comment down below, and if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you. Okay, first you need to have an app called PixArt. Then click on this plus button. You can slide through your photos to choose the photo you want for this Vogue design. It's very easy. I have two ways of making this, but I'm going to show you a very quick one. So after selecting your photo, you come here to this side and select sticker. You come here and select sticker. Currently, there are so many Vogue stickers trending, so I just took one. So many you can choose from. I just chose a random one. So you just have to adjust it to however you want it. If you don't want this one, when you go to sticker, there's a place where you can search for stickers. So just type the Vogue and you're going to see what you want. It's very easy to, adjust it to fit the screen. So you apply, next, save, and you're done. Voila. Yeah, you can also change the canvas to be the canvas of TikTok if you want to post it up, or if you want to put it up on TikTok. Bye. If you like this video, please do not forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below if it helps or if it's helpful, and please do not forget to turn on post notifications so you can get more videos or get notified when I upload more videos like this. Thank you.